Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide admin from member directory in WordPress BuddyPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using BuddyPress plugin. So we are in member page and then you see admin profile. So we are going to hide it so other user cannot see our admin profile. Now go to WordPress dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So scroll down, you see inside method auto install location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to member page again. So we are in member directory and refresh the page. Now you see admin profile hide from other user in WordPress in BuddyPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.